Imagine stepping into a bustling new marketplace, a place brimming with energy and potential. Picture yourself surrounded by a vibrant atmosphere where innovation thrives and opportunities abound. A marketplace not just of goods, but of ideas. One filled with opportunity and innovation, where traditional financial models are being reimagined. It's a space where everyone has the chance to participate and grow. This is the world of cryptocurrency, a digital frontier that's rapidly changing the way we think about money and investment. It's a new frontier for your savings, a landscape ripe with possibilities for those willing to explore. It can seem overwhelming at first glance, a maze of complex terms and fluctuating values. The sheer volume of information can be daunting, but don't worry, you're not alone on this journey. There's support available, guidance to help you navigate the complexities. By your side is artificial intelligence, or AI, a powerful tool designed to simplify and enhance your investment experience. Think of AI as a tireless, insightful guide, always available to provide clarity and direction. It's like having a personal financial expert at your fingertips 24/7. Together, AI and crypto are transforming investing, creating new opportunities and reshaping the financial landscape. They're making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their background or prior experience. This is about democratizing finance. Think of AI as a seasoned gardener, carefully tending to your financial aspirations. It's helping you nurture your financial garden in this new landscape, ensuring healthy growth and sustainable returns. For years, investing felt exclusive and complex, often shrouded in jargon and inaccessible to the average person. But technology is breaking down those barriers, leveling the playing field and empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures. AI simplifies information, spots patterns that humans might miss, and provides insights that can lead to smarter investment choices. Ultimately, it empowers you to make informed decisions, giving you the confidence to navigate the world of cryptocurrency with greater ease and understanding. Today, we'll explore this world together, uncovering its secrets and revealing its potential. We'll delve into the digital marketplace, examining the opportunities it presents. We'll explore the intelligence of AI, understanding how it analyzes data and identifies trends. And we'll see how they work together, creating a synergy that benefits investors of all levels. We'll see how this partnership creates a new paradigm for investing, a safer, more transparent environment for your investments, built on trust and powered by innovation. There's much to discover on this exciting journey, so let's get started. And the promise is real, offering the potential for financial growth and a more secure future. So, let's take our first step into this exciting new world, open-minded and optimistic, ready to embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. Let's step into this new era of personal finance, empowered by AI and the potential of cryptocurrency. The journey begins now, and the future of your savings is in your hands. Cryptocurrency, in its simplest form, is digital money. It represents a groundbreaking shift in how we perceive and interact with value in the modern world. Unlike traditional currency, there are no physical coins or paper notes. Instead, cryptocurrency exists purely as digital value, securely stored in a digital wallet, ready for use in the digital economy. In many ways, it's similar to online banking, offering the convenience of digital transactions. However, there are key differences that set cryptocurrency apart and make it a truly revolutionary concept. Bitcoin is undoubtedly the most famous cryptocurrency, the one that started it all and brought the concept of digital currency to the mainstream. However, the world of cryptocurrency extends far beyond Bitcoin. There are now thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins. Each altcoin is designed with unique purposes, functionalities, and underlying technologies, catering to a wide range of needs and applications within the digital landscape. Imagine a vibrant and thriving coral reef ecosystem teeming with diverse marine life, each playing a crucial role in the overall health and balance of the environment. In this analogy, Bitcoin is the anchor, the foundational structure that supports the entire ecosystem, while the many other cryptocurrencies play vital roles, contributing to the overall functionality and innovation of the crypto space. One of the key distinctions between cryptocurrency and traditional money lies in its structure. Unlike traditional financial systems, Crypto is usually decentralized. This means that no single authority, such as a central bank or government, controls or governs the cryptocurrency network. Instead, a global network of computers and users collectively manages and secures the cryptocurrency system, ensuring its integrity and reliability. Think of it like a neighborhood watch program, where everyone in the community works together to protect their shared assets and maintain a safe environment for all. This decentralized structure is designed to promote fairness, transparency, and security, ensuring that all participants have equal access and opportunities within the network. Cryptocurrency empowers you to send value directly to anyone, anywhere in the world without the need for intermediaries. This eliminates the need for traditional banks and financial institutions to act as middlemen, streamlining the transaction process and reducing associated costs. As a result, cryptocurrency transactions can often be significantly faster and cheaper than traditional methods, especially for international transfers. This is particularly beneficial for cross-border payments, where traditional banking fees and processing times can be substantial. In essence, cryptocurrency represents a new species of finance, a digital evolution of how we store, manage, and exchange value in the modern world. While the technology behind it is cutting edge, its core purpose, storing and exchanging value, is timeless, dating back to the earliest forms of human commerce. So, welcome to the digital age of money, a world of innovation, decentralization, and endless possibilities. In the world of digital finance, a crucial question arises. How is digital money kept safe and secure without the traditional oversight of a bank? What mechanisms are in place to prevent fraud and ensure the integrity of transactions in this decentralized landscape? The answer lies in a revolutionary technology known as blockchain. It's the foundation upon which cryptocurrencies and many other digital applications are built. Picture a chain of blocks, each one linked to the previous one in a chronological and secure manner. Each block in this chain is recording recent transactions, bundling them together into a secure digital package. When a block is full, reaching its data capacity, it's sealed and added to the chain, a process that involves complex cryptographic validation. This creates a permanent shared ledger, accessible to all participants in the network. It's a transparent and immutable record of all transactions. Each block is cryptographically linked to the last, using sophisticated encryption techniques. This cryptographic linking makes tampering nearly impossible, as any alteration to a single block would require changing all subsequent blocks. Imagine a public notebook in a village square, a place where everyone can see and verify the information recorded. Everyone sees every entry, and any change is obvious, ensuring accountability and preventing fraud. The blockchain works the same way, providing a transparent and verifiable record of all transactions, but globally and digitally, transcending geographical boundaries and connecting people from all corners of the world. This shared, unchangeable ledger, distributed across a network of computers, gives crypto its integrity, ensuring that transactions are secure and trustworthy. Trust is built into the system, a fundamental aspect of blockchain technology. No central authority needed, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing the risk of censorship or manipulation. Every transaction is recorded, verified, and added to the blockchain, transparently and permanently, creating an audit trail that can be traced back to the very beginning. That's why blockchain is often called a trust machine, because it automates trust in a digital environment. It's the secure foundation of the digital economy, enabling new forms of commerce and collaboration. Security and transparency are not just buzzwords, they are the core principles come from the network's collective agreement, where participants work together to validate transactions and maintain the integrity of the blockchain. Blockchain is digital trust, a technology that empowers individuals and organizations to interact with confidence. Engineered for resilience, designed to withstand attacks, and continue operating even in the face of adversity. It's the backbone of cryptocurrency, providing the infrastructure for secure and decentralized digital currencies. Now let's meet our guide, artificial intelligence. AI isn't just science fiction, it's already part of daily life, from filtering spam to mapping your route. At its core, AI learns from data, recognizes patterns, and makes decisions. like a skilled apprentice. Online shops use AI to recommend products by spotting patterns in your behavior. AI's real strength is analyzing vast data sets to find clarity and complexity. It's a practical tool, not a distant dream. In investing, especially crypto, AI's ability to process information and spot trends is invaluable. It's your tireless researcher, analyst and assistant. With AI, you're never navigating this new world alone. When AI enters the crypto marketplace, a powerful partnership forms. Crypto prices change fast, too fast for most humans to track. AI monitors markets 24/7, analyzing charts, news and social media for signals. It brings three key benefits: smarter insights, enhanced security, and simplified information. AI can gauge market sentiment, helping you make strategic decisions. It detects scams and suspicious activity, acting as a vigilant guardian. Most importantly, AI translates complex data into clear, actionable insights. Instead of overwhelming numbers, you get simple alerts and visuals. AI makes crypto investing less intimidating and more accessible. The AI-crypto partnership is real. Tools exist today to help you invest smarter. Crypto trading bots powered by AI follow your rules and execute trades automatically. They remove emotion and seize opportunities even when you're offline. AI-powered portfolio managers help balance your assets and manage risk. Think of them as dietitians for your investments, keeping your portfolio healthy. Research and alert platforms use AI to deliver concise news and timely warnings. These tools give you professional-level insights simply presented. With AI, you're empowered to make informed decisions on your crypto journey. Every new frontier has risks. Crypto is no exception. Volatility is the biggest. Prices can swing wildly, so only invest what you can afford to lose. The technology can be complex and scammers exploit confusion. Guard your private keys as you would your bank details. Losing them means losing your funds. Regulations are evolving and rules can change, affecting value and access. Stay informed and use reputable platforms with strong security. Risks shouldn't deter you, but they should guide you. Start small, learn as you go, and always prioritize safety. Like any explorer, preparation and caution are key. Wise investing means understanding the terrain before you leap. The future of finance, shaped by AI and crypto, is more open and inclusive. Barriers are falling, making investing accessible to all. Imagine loans approved by unbiased AI or instant, low-cost global transfers. AI will become a personalized advisor, helping you plan, protect, and grow your wealth. This technology democratizes financial expertise, putting powerful tools in everyone's hands. The journey will have challenges, but the direction is clear: a fairer, more resilient system. AI and blockchain together are building a new foundation for finance. The future is hopeful, and it's for everyone. We've explored the world of crypto and AI together. You're now better equipped to take your first step. Knowledge is your most valuable investment. Keep learning and stay curious. Seek reputable sources, join communities, and approach new information with an open mind. Start small, test the waters, and build confidence gradually. The fusion of AI and crypto is a remarkable opportunity. Embrace it wisely. This isn't about getting rich quick, but about shaping your financial future. The adventure is just beginning. Proceed with confidence and curiosity.